Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here today. Hi, Angie.
Hello.
You're using all of our leftover burgers and steaks.
I am. I know. I thought I'd talk value. Okay, I'm kind of sick of cooking. It's the end of summer. Football started in Reedsburg, so it's like, So I'm using like leftover steak, leftover burgers. Let's call them planned over. It sounds better if you tell the kids that, right? Grill a couple extra burgers, couple extra steaks, and make a steak salad. You don't even need a recipe, but of course, I have great recipes for you. So this is just called a champagne steak salad with blue cheese. It's called champagne because it calls for champagne vinaigrette in a little bit of a champagne oil or vinegar in the vinaigrette, but my store didn't have that, so I used white wine, so it's a white wine salad. But I just got then some blanched green beans, which are coming in season now, a little blue cheese, some red onion, and then some leftover steak or planned over, or grill a steak if you like. I just used top sirloin. And then the vinaigrette, I just made ahead quick. It was that white wine vinegar, a little oil, a little salt and pepper. That's about it.
Okay.
Super easy.
And healthy. And 30 seconds for our last one.
Okay, so this is called burger in a salad 4 ways. So, you know, sometimes you have leftover burgers or planned over burgers, or you want to make extra burgers, put it on a salad. So we have 4 different kind of flavor varieties to spice that up. So this is called our Greek variety. We have American, we have Asian, and Mexican, all just adding little different vegetables, different cheeses, and different salad dressings. So super easy. Check out beeftips.com if you need more inspiration or you actually want the recipe, and everything's right there. Click on As Seen on TV.
Good job, Angie.
Okay, and
We're tight for
hopefully
time.
it's not hot and raining next time I'm here.
Yes, thank you so much.